everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of EWA app. You will go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, as you see, you will search about the application of EWA and you will enter here. Then here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. In the end, you will enter to storage. Then here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.